These are the basics that I'm using. It's the lemon. I already grated some lemon zest. I could do more, sometimes I do less, but I like to have quite a lot of ginger in my food. I'm choosing today to have a tomato base, so I'm going to go for this one here. I feel it goes more with tomatoes, and I'm using half a cube. The red onion, I like this one because it's sweet. I do use other types of onions, but these are my preferred ones for this dish. Salt and pepper. So this little gadget is just a rubber silicone tube, and what you do is you chop the top and bottom off, and then you roll it in here, and it takes the skin off. Let the rolling commence. I'm going to add a little bit of this. So this is my Excalibur dehydrator 9 tray. So I put this in here, in there, with the lid on. These are the vegetables that I'm going to add. For the tomatoes, I've added sun-dried tomato paste, tomato puree, some sun-dried tomatoes, organic coconut aminos, and I'm going to add a bit of tamari sauce as well. I just added some herbs. Here's my sauce that's been in the dehydrator. God, it smells really good. There it is stirred. I've added some more hot water to it, because one thing you don't want to do when you use the dehydrator and you're cooking this way, you don't want it to completely dry out. This is the finished meal. I just wanted to add that in a dehydrator you can always put your plate, which is now nice and toasty warm, to put your food on. So I've just taken this out and I've measured it, and it's exactly 42 degrees. And there it is, my main meal. I can't wait to get tucked in. Oh my goodness. That was so good. Anyway, be well, stay healthy.